This is my Porsche 997.2 Carrera S manual without a chip in its headlamp. I'll show you how I replace the lens. All right, now with the headlamp assembly out, there's no need to place this in the oven because the factory uses silicone rather than a butyl rubber sealant, so that heat does not loosen that seal. So now I just used a razor blade, just focused on the lower half of the headlamp, the part that's closest to the bumper, and just work my way around. Just take your time. Once you get some gaps in there, I started to focus on the top of the headlamp where you can actually get a grip on it and slowly start to pull it apart. Again, I use no heat on this. Just a razor blade, flathead screwdriver, and a pry tool. As far as resealing the new lens, I used butyl rubber sealant. I could form it into a thin piece that would fit into that channel. Be careful not to drop any of the debris into the headlamp assembly because it is extremely delicate in there with that chrome insert piece. I used a microfiber to wipe out any crumbs. And once you place the replacement lens on there, preheat the oven to 225 as it is butyl, and it will soften when it warms up. Place the headlamp in there and don't forget to turn the oven off. You don't need it cooking in there, you just need it to be warm. So I put it in there at 225 for about 8 minutes and said my goodbyes. It was a little emotional, but now the fun part, it's all finished. Take it out after 8 minutes, press that lens on there, give it a good seal, make it tight, and here's the final result.